Welcome to Dr. Rao's lecture series. Content of this video: subject theory of machines, dynamics, topic natural frequency of vibrations. Free vibrations. These vibrations are set up when a system is disturbed from its equilibrium position and is allowed to oscillate on its own. Free vibrations always follow a simple harmonic motion. The differential equation of a simple harmonic motion is x double dot plus omega square x equal to 0, where x is displacement of the simple harmonic motion at any period of time. X double dot is acceleration of the simple harmonic motion at any period of time. Omega is frequency of the simple harmonic motion. The frequency of free vibrations is also known as natural frequency. In free vibration system, there will not be damping force and exciting force. The natural frequency of the free vibrations may be determined analytically by the following three methods. 1. Energy method. 2. Rayleigh's method. 3. Equilibrium method. The basic representation of free vibrating system is a spring mass system. Energy method. In energy method, the sum of the energies associated with the system is constant. In a free vibrating system, the energies are kinetic energy and potential energy. As per energy method, kinetic energy plus potential energy equal to constant. Differentiating the sum of the energies with respect to time, that is differentiation of kinetic energy plus potential energy with respect to time equal to 0. Consider a spring mass system. M is the vibrating mass, K is stiffness of the spring. Let x is the displacement given to the mass, x dot is the velocity of the vibrating mass. Kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 m x dot square. Potential energy equal to mean force of the spring multiplied by displacement. Mean force of the spring equal to 0 plus kx by 2. Potential energy equal to 0 plus kx by 2 into x. That is 1 by 2 kx square. As per energy method, kinetic energy plus potential energy at any point of time equal to constant. It implies 1 by 2 m x dot square plus 1 by 2 kx square equal to constant. Differentiating with respect to time, 1 by 2 m into 2x dot into x double dot plus 1 by 2 k into 2x into x dot equal to 0. Dividing the equation with m and cancelling x dot, the equation results to x double dot plus k by m x equal to 0. X double dot plus k by m x equal to 0. This is equation 1. This is the governing equation of undamped free vibrations. The differential equation of a simple harmonic motion is x double dot plus omega square x equal to 0. This is equation 2. Comparing the equation 1 and 2, it can be inferred that if any dynamic system is represented as differential equation 1 and x is displacement, then the coefficient of x is square of the frequency of the motion. It implies omega equal to root over k by m. The second method is Rayleigh's method. In a vibrating system, at any point of time, total energy is either the kinetic energy or potential energy or combination of these energies. Rayleigh's method is based on the principle that in a vibrating system, when the kinetic energy is maximum, potential energy is minimum. And same way, the potential energy is maximum when kinetic energy is minimum. Rayleigh's method states that in a vibrating system, maximum kinetic energy equal to maximum potential energy. In this method, the maximum kinetic energy at the mean position is equal to the maximum potential energy or strain energy at the extreme position. Assuming the motion executed by the vibrating system to be simple harmonic motion, this is a vibrating system. The equation of simple harmonic motion can be represented as small x is equal to capital X sine omega t. This is equation 1, where small x is displacement of the body from the mean position after time t seconds. Capital X, maximum displacement from mean position to extreme position. Omega, angular velocity of the motion. M, mass of the vibrating system. K, stiffness of the spring. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to time, x dot equal to capital X minus cos omega t into omega. X dot is velocity. It implies x dot equal to minus capital X omega cos omega t. The maximum velocity equal to minus capital X omega. Maximum kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 m minus x omega square. This is equation 2. Maximum potential energy of spring equal to 1 by 2 kx square. Maximum kinetic energy equal to maximum potential energy. It implies 1 by 2 m minus x omega square equal to 1 by 2 kx square. By simplifying the equation, we get omega equal to root over k by m. Equilibrium method. Equilibrium method states that in a vibrating system, the algebraic sum of the forces acting on the system at any point of time is 0. The forces considered in the analysis of a vibrating system are spring force, force against the motion, damping force, force against the motion, inertia force, force against the motion, applied force on the system. As the current discussion is on free vibrations, damping force and applied force are considered as 0. Consider a spring having spring stiffness K is subjected to load with a mass of m. Let delta be the deflection after attaching the mass m to the spring. That means the gravitational pull of the mass mg is balanced by the spring force k delta. It implies mg equal to k delta. Let the mass m is displaced by a distance x from the static deflection. Spring force equal to mg minus k into delta plus x. This is equal to mg minus k delta minus kx. This is equal to minus kx as mg is equal to k delta. Negative sign indicates that the spring force is opposite to the motion. Inertia force or accelerating force equal to mx double dot. Inertia force is also opposite to the motion. As per equilibrium method, the algebraic sum of the forces acting on the system at any time is 0. It implies mx double dot plus kx is equal to 0. As the vibrations are considered as free vibrations, there will not be exciting force. By dividing the equation with m, it results to x double dot plus k by m into x equal to 0. This is equation 1. This is governing equation of undamped free vibrations. The differential equation of a simple harmonic motion is x double dot plus omega square x equal to 0. This is equation 2. Comparing the equation 1 and 2, it can be inferred that if any dynamic system is represented as differential equation 1 and x is displacement, then the coefficient of x is square of frequency of the motion. It implies omega equal to root over k by m. Natural frequency of undamped free vibrations. The frequency of exciting body when there is no external exciting force and no damping force is acting on the body, then that frequency is natural frequency. In all these methods, the vibrations are free vibrations. Hence, whatever frequency that was deduced is natural frequency only. Natural frequency omega n equal to root over k by m. This is radians per second when expressed as angular frequency. Natural frequency Fn equal to 1 by 2 pi root over k by m hertz when expressed in cycles per second. By substituting k equal to mg by delta in the above expression, since mg equal to k delta, Fn is equal to 1 by 2 pi into root over k by m. By substituting k equal to mg by delta, Fn is equal to 1 by 2 pi root over g by delta. Time period t equal to 2 pi by omega n.